In the previous lectures, we studied about computers, their components, and the hardware. Now we come to the next important part of computers, that is memory. For human brain, memory is a concept in which information can be stored and retrieved. It is necessary to remember past events and keep them stored to learn any language, develop relationships, and improve personal identity. Similarly, the memory of the computer is concerned with storing data and instructions to be processed by CPU. Memory acts as a solid-state device that comprises an ordered collection of bits, bytes, and words that can be read or written by the CPU. Now, let us look at the required attributes of storage units. Access time. It is the time required to locate and retrieve a particular data from the storage unit. The lesser the access time, better is the storage unit. Storage capacity. It is the amount of data that can be stored by a storage unit. The smallest unit of data which the computer understands is the bit. Storage capacities of primary and secondary units are measured in kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, and so on. Cost. Low-cost storage media are always desirable. Storage units with faster access time, higher storage capacity, and low cost are the ones which are considered to be of superior nature. Let us now look at how classification of memory is done. Memory can either be primary or secondary. We will learn about the primary memory first. The primary memory. Primary storage or main memory stores the programs, data, and intermediate results during the program execution. Primary memory is of the following types: RAM, ROM, and cache. The first type of storage is random access memory or RAM. It is volatile, as whenever the power is turned off, the data is lost. RAM is also called a read-write memory because data can both be read from and written onto these units. RAM is further of two types: dynamic RAM or DRAM and static RAM or SRAM. In dynamic, the stored information is lost in a very short time even though power supply is on, whereas static RAM keeps the stored information only as long as the power supply is on. The second type of storage is read-only memory or ROM. In this memory, data is permanently stored. The information can only be read and new data cannot be written. However, the contents of ROM are not lost even when the power is turned off. That is, it has a non-volatile memory. ROM is also classified into three parts: PROM, EPROM, and EPROM. Starting with PROM. It stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. The data can be written only once on the memory chip. Once the chip has been programmed by the special device, that is PROM programmer, information cannot be changed. Hence, PROM is non-volatile memory. Next is EPROM, short for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Here it is possible to erase the data which has been previously stored on an EPROM and write new data onto the chip. Ultraviolet light is used to erase the data and make it possible to reprogram the memory. And the last is EPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. In this, the data can be erased by exposing it to an electrical charge. It keeps the data even when the power is off. The third type of storage is cache memory. It is a special type of high-speed memory that cannot be accessed by the user. The main function of this memory is to make programs and data available to the CPU at a fast rate. Therefore, a cache, which is a very small but fast memory, is used between CPU and the main memory. A cache stores those segments of programs and data which are frequently needed. We shall discuss secondary memory in the next video. Thank you.